Choice points. What's a choice point? Gosh, every moment we have a choice point. Are we going to drink water or wine? Are we going to exercise or eat a donut? Are we going to, get overwhelmed by our emotions, or are we going to learn how to self-regulate back to our bigger, more wholeness? So if you want to be happy and wake up every morning as if you're a kitten opening a Christmas package, come check out our weekend events and our online trainings and our in-person sessions with me. Blessings and great, great good wishes for the best journey on this human form in this earth plane. And joy along the way. Take care.